that. Okay. Throw in light bulb. Side of a microwave. How long should I put it in for?
Here's put it for 3.
Oh, dick. Okay, we should get ready to run out of here.
For 10. That was easy.
Oh shit.
What is going on? Oh. What the hell is lighting?
Should we be breathing this in?
Not smoking yet. And now it's on fire.
Alright.
Oh, don't breathe this in. Things to put in a microwave. Yeah, leave that wide open. Holy shit. Really should have brought my pliers. That's probably hot. Let's get out of
Oh. That's mad flame and some sparks.
this. Oh, that's some good plasma.
Probably not good to be looking at this.
Probably not.
Fire is a little bit. Oh. Got fire in there?
Look at all that spark.
Shit. Oh.
This worked a lot more than it did last time.
Yeah, it's a lot. Right up. Okay, so me again. What I did was I laid down some, basically some steel wool Brillo pad. I don't even know what the hell it's called. I use it to clean my soldering iron. But what we have is a big heaping pile of gunpowder, and we got some Roman candleballs, and by some I mean probably about 15 or so. So hopefully it all goes off at once. And I'm going to throw a couple of nails on it just for good measure. That should get some sparks going. And I really don't know how close we should be standing to this.
We should probably get out and
Where's
just...
your shield?
Right there.
Right there. Alright, so stand over this way.
Alright. We made a shield. We made a shield last year, I think it was,
Right.
for airsoft and stuff. But, yeah, there it is. We're gonna hide behind this just in case stuff actually does blow up. We don't get debris.
So, let me spin this guy around. Riot shield, bitches.
I think we should run out.
Good, ready?
Yep. Holy shit!
Oh!
Holy shit!
Jesus.
Yeah, boy!
Blew the screen right out.
Holy shit! Wait, we gotta check to make sure our hair's not on
Yeah,
fire.
bring the camera here. Look up there. Figure out, look up.
Look at the...
Bring it low. Bring it low again. Flap the legs.
Holy shit. No, dude, I see it. Holy shit.
Oh!